What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. And if you are watching from a different country and it's morning, from where you're watching from, good morning to each and every one of you guys. So sorry I haven't been able to update each and every one of us about what's currently going on right now in the market. You could see clearly right here that Bitcoin just kind of started going bearish in a way, because I think if you look at it right here, you could see that it just started getting bearish due to the news that we got right here. You could see just out the US employment numbers, which is the US non-farm payroll, came in higher. The previous was 92,000 minus 92,000. People were expecting 65,000, but right now it's currently at 178,000. So currently right now it's kind of neutral, because it's still bearish. It's still leaning towards the bearish aspect, because if the employment number is kind of high, but the need for these people to be employed is kind of low, I think it's still leaning towards the bearish aspect of things at the end of the day. So I would say for the main time right now, I'm still thinking that the market is still looking more bearish than bullish, though. Yep, that's basically what I can see. And with the look of things right now, I'm kind of, a lot of people have kind of digressed from this bear flag pattern kind of movement right now that you're obviously seeing, because left to me, I still think this is still a bear flag pattern. Trust me, I still think this is still a bear flag pattern, because given the fact that we are consolidating within this range for a while, and all of a sudden we broke out of this range, this channel, we retested, and you could see we've gotten a confirmation candle. I'm still very much bearish on the market, though. Though we could still say that we could disregard this for a while. Yeah, we could disregard the bear flag pattern for a while and just look at things from this aspect of, the market just consolidating within this range right here. So we could say that, okay, we are still within range. And because we are still within range between 71,000 to 65,000, we're most likely going to keep on consolidating around this level until we finally break out. So this can still be a case at the end of the day, and we could end up agreeing that, okay, until we break below 65,600, retest, get a retest from here with a good confirmation candle, then we can head all the way low. We can head as low as $58,900. So I can say that this can most likely be the case, because left to me, from this bear flag pattern right here that we are seeing, we've broken major support and we've retested, and you could see we've gotten the confirmation candle. So I still think we are still likely going to be bearish than bullish right here, because I've been saying from my previous videos. Looking at the crude oil right here, okay, once more happy Good Friday to each and everyone out there. We could see the market is closed, as we can see right now, for crude oil, and you could see clearly right here that crude oil is still very much elevated, $112 per barrel. You could see the S&P 500. I think the S&P 500 is most likely just opening, I guess. I think it's closed at the moment. It's closed at the moment, but I think it's most likely going to be opening soon, probably in less than 45 minutes, I guess. For gold right here, gold is still doing very well, in the sense that it hasn't broken below this support at $4,562. So there's still a possibility for us to either head down lower than for us to break out. So whichever way, if we look at it from the 4 hours time frame, it's looking like we could break out anytime soon, because you could see we've majorly found support around this level right here. So I think there is a chance for, gold to still break out, but till then, let us wait for a major breakout. If not, we should still be looking at the market in a way that it is most likely going to be bearish than bullish. So I think this is definitely all I can say for now about Bitcoin. So we can also look at the other Bitcoin charts right here, in the sense that just in case Bitcoin decides to, flip bullish, what will be the scenario? Because right now, the whole geopolitical tension and all what's not is definitely not letting even the technicals play along or do its thing. The news right now is definitely something that have a very huge influence in the market right now. And with the look of things, like I said, I'm still very much bearish right now in the market than bullish. Maybe we still have a major support right here at probably $66,000. Yep, maybe there is some major support around here at $66,000. Maybe we could still drop a little bit. I think we are most likely finding a bottom right here for Bitcoin. We might probably find support around there 66,000, consolidate, and we could rally much higher. But the prediction of us breaking below 66,000, retesting will definitely send us into 64,800 level. So I think this is just definitely it for now. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.